Good morning. We just drove through a lot of states yesterday. I left my house at 6 a.m. Eastern Time, Pennsylvania. Went through West Virginia, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois. Starts to get blurry after that. But we are in Arkansas. Oh, Missouri. Sorry. We are in Arkansas. We got in here where we're camping right now on a forest road about 2 a.m. Central Time. If you do the math, we had a 15-hour drive. However, it took us longer than that. We had a little 7 hours or so, mixed between stopping for gas and other stuff. But oh yeah, changing out a transfer case in a parking lot for Hector.
What's that?
Do you need my tool roll too, or do you guys?
I have no idea.
Okay.
You want to see if any of these will fit, Brody? On that. Josh?
Let me see something.
I wonder if it's just the oil filter.
Maybe just a bad oil filter, and this just the seal's not holding on it.
Yeah, if I could get some cleaner and clean all this, change out the oil filter, that may actually be the problem. I'm thinking that's a defective oil filter.
Don't take your pants off.
But we found one, it's like $150.
Hi, Dom.
What is this? Is that where the breather tube goes?
Yep.
Is it stripped?
No, they're pressed in.
The fuck are we gonna do that?
Wiggle the fuck out of that till it comes out, lube her up with some RTV, and set her. Right.
Did you think this was going to be easy?
No, that's why.
Because the
That's why the
spline
old one
count-
looks like this.
Did you think just because the spline count matched that it wouldn't shit on you?
You guys have been busy.
No. Took us like 5 seconds.
Look at all that. So many parts.
Anyone bring a Lego pamphlet? I don't remember how to build this one.
Night one of our adventure. This will probably end up in the, outtakes or something. But Nick, you'd be very proud of us because we're camping with the RVs.
We also had to pee in the bushes.
We also had to be in the bushes on camera. Didn't see much.
Not much to see.
Not much to see, but
Come on. And look who got a matching cot tent. Sleeping still. And there's Tyler.
well, yesterday was a different type of adventure. We left you guys at an RV park. How did we get here? Well, let's say the RV park wasn't very
Overland friendly.
there it is. Yeah. They don't like, hot tents or hammocks, even though we took up less room than an RV and we paid. Anyways, we found this place and it's more our style anyways. There's little Rhodey sleeping. La, la, la.
So quiet.
It is. So I wasn't going to film until we got to the trail, and apparently getting to the trail a little bit harder than we expected. So far we are about 3 hours behind, maybe even more behind, because of certain things. Yesterday my transfer case blew up. So it's in that black bag down there. It's not trash. It's a transfer case. Tyler's Jeep's acting up, and we had to change his diff fluid. So we had to get rid of that, dispose of all that stuff. That was fun. And now Aaron's Jeep. Well, this brake caliper decided to lock up on it. We're gonna change that. We're about an hour away from the trailhead, so I guess this is better than, you know, being on the trail. So more parking lot fixes, and we didn't even do any off-roading. Yay! Overlanding's fun. All right, we just finished up his rear brakes. Did both sides, and Tyler, we pulled his codes, and he has a couple codes going on, so we're gonna keep an eye on that. Nothing looks too serious. And now we're gonna hit the road. Yeah, we still not at the trail end. There's a hood popped. We did find this cozy little gas station to top off and disconnect. We're not going to air it down yet because we don't know what the trail's like, but disconnecting is a little bit more important as of right now. So, yay for snacks and bathroom usage, and a nice level lot.
Just checking. Oh, you got everything?
We think it's okay. So, actually it says 8 minutes away, so 8 minutes away. Throw you back on the charger. That'll be to the trailhead in about 13 minutes to the first river crossing. If it's not too high. Aaron says that it's supposed to be like 4.5 feet, which is way too high. We'll see. We're going to the Buffalo River. So we don't know how deep it is. I talked to Matt from Ozark Adventure, Overland. It is his trail system that we came across, and I've been watching his videos.
Slight right onto Searcy 14 Highway.
I've been watching his videos for quite some time. Same with Aaron and Tyler. So it kind of prepped us for, you know, what we're into, well, about to be getting into. So thanks. You guys were all awesome.
Right onto Searcy 14 Highway.
It just kind of goes with the road.
Continue on Searcy 14 Highway for 3 miles.
So, thanks guys for the trail system. You got your GPX. Time to go wheel and check it out and have some fun.